Water doesn't go, no?
No. I put it in my packet.
Welcome back to my channel, The Social Bikers, and I am here after a long time. मैंने vlog किया ही नहीं है, to be honest, for around 6 months. So first of all, thank you for the 1000 subscribers, and I hope today I'm going to make an interesting content for you. तो आज मैं जा रहा हूँ एक waterfall, which is nearby Mumbai, which is 100 kilometers from Mumbai. So आप देखते रहिए कौन सा waterfall ये है, and I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted. So the trip is started and these guys have gone crazy. Yeah, so we are heading towards the waterfall. So let's see. We are currently in Western Express Highway, taking the SCLR to go towards Khopoli, and very soon you will come to know which waterfall we are visiting. So guys, finally reached the Zenith Waterfall. So currently... Are we there yet? Yes. 2 minutes. So the entry for vehicles is restricted over here during monsoon, and they have written the Zenith Waterfall is closed. So it's risky to go and swim over there. So all you can do is just... And since I'm vlogging after a long time, you can see a familiar face behind. And any guesses who this person is? It's Kevin again, and after a long time, and especially after we completed 1K in our channel, and this is the first time we are vlogging. Yeah. So I hope you'll like the content. So there's 2 vlogs. First vlog is the waterfall and the other is the bungalow, which name I'll disclose shortly. Keep watching the follow vlog as well, and we'll keep you posted. So if you see during rain, it's written Zenith Dabdaba is 1, and you can read whatever is in. This is where we have to trek from, because since the waterfall is closed, they are not allowing any vehicles. Bikes are going, but no cars. Stream down, and this is the stream which comes out from the waterfall. There you go, and that's the waterfall behind. That's Zenith. So here we have few shops where you can buy some snacks. Don't litter the environment. That's just a humble request. You can get corns. Do patronize their stall once you visit. You have to observe is there's one way which goes to the village and the other way which goes to the waterfall. So I'll just show you which way it is. That's the village, and this is the way for waterfall. We'll follow Kevin. And actually there is a lot of tourists around this time of the year. But just for public safety they have kept it closed, because many people drown in the waterfall because of the flow. Wow, beautiful. So this is the first view. Once you enter, take a right, and that's the waterfall over there. It's not in full force, but when it's in full force, the flow is very heavy. So currently it's safe for the tourists. Okay, so as you see guys, due to safety reasons, security reasons, there are cops straight ahead of me. They are not allowing to go through the waterfall. So unfortunately, I think the vlog stays quiet. With due respect from social bikers, for the safety reason of everyone, we are heading back. I'm really sorry that we couldn't show you the entire Zenith waterfall, maybe sometime else when it's safe enough. So during monsoons, if you are heading towards Zenith Waterfalls, please ensure that you find out from the internet whether it's available to be visited or not, because due to high flow of water, they have closed it. Now, so now since Zenith is closed, one of the locals told me that there's another waterfall over here. It's straight ahead of me. So we are trying to go over there. I don't know whether we'll be able to get that waterfall, but we'll try. So Kevin is also there. He's trying to call our colleagues go over here. So let's see this side. I'm going to cross this small river. I don't know the flow. I hope I don't fall with the phone. So this is the water coming from Zenith Waterfall. I'm currently in the mid. So don't try to cross this by yourself because the flow is heavy even in such low waters. So somehow I managed to cross the stream. So I was there and now I'm over here. And I'll call Kevin. So now this is where we have to go for another waterfall which is nearby Zenith. So it's a mucky water. So I'll ask Kevin to do the honors first. Someone who has an SUD, don't try this water. So I think it's a trek around for 10-15 minutes till we reach the waterfall over there. I don't know the name of the waterfall, but it's near Zenith. A small crossing again, a narrow path. It's a sewage as well, not good. So this is the view. The entire view changes once you come over here. Towards there is the Zenith Waterfall and here is the small waterfalls. And there's one beautiful waterfall over there and then towards here. So we decided we'll take the right, which is the shortest path. I hope our colleagues are there as well. You guys ditched us, especially Bhatia. So we're going there and this we'll check. So finally I think we are reaching the waterfall. That's straight over here. Kevin is already exhausted. So guys, you can already see my tired face. It's already 15 minutes we started trekking to come to the waterfall near Zenith, which is just behind me. Now I have spotted out one beautiful place where if you want to stay overnight during monsoons as well or during winters, that's the tent stay right behind me, and this is nearby Zenith Waterfalls. I don't know the name. I did not get the time to go in because we have to rush, but this is a place if you can stay. I believe it won't be that expensive, but it's good. I can show you a closer view if you want. Yes, I'll just show you. This is a place, nice tents, just between the waterfall and the forest. That's the view. Entrance. And that's the place. Now we have a little bit of intense trek through the jungles to reach the actual source of the waterfall. Actually the base of the waterfall, not the source. Pretty interesting. The flow is quite less over here compared to Zenith. This is the actual place. People are enjoying, a lot of tourists. And then another one on the right. So we are currently at the waterfall base and there's a lot of people over here and it's damn crowded. Suggestion, don't come on weekends. So both are over here and that's the waterfall. And behind. And that's the source on top. So we are going to the waterfall now. Let's follow. never managed to come in. I've got wet. This is inside the waterfall. Devin, how's the feeling at the waterfall? Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed. So if you come to Zenith Waterfall and you don't get the waterfall to be seen, you can come over here and you enjoy. So winding up this vlog over here. See you soon at Hotels. Cheers.